Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. You know what it is, I'm Devina and I post videos to help you all to make your home, your life more organized and smooth. So today I will be talking about 5 goals before 2018. I'm not so ambitious to achieve beyond my limits and capabilities, but yes, I hate to carry all the loose ends of 2018 over to 2019. I have almost a week left, so I have to get practical goals to finish off. So I thought, why not sit and share with you all my list of goals for the rest of the year, because I really want to inspire you all to end this year with more productive and positive note. So let's get on to my goals. My first goal will be to create a proper workspace for myself. Till now, I just sit around anywhere in the house to do my work. I keep my planners and all the writing stuff in my son's study area. This way, I don't feel professional enough to do my work. I need a place where I can invest a particular time period daily to work and where I can feel more responsible to be productive. My second goal is to create a reading corner in my living room where I or anyone can just sit and feel cozy enough to read. Since I have planned to read more in 2019, so it's very important to create an atmosphere to motivate me to read. Talking of reading, I would like to draw your attention towards this book, The Station Master, written by Indranil Mukherjee. It's a combination of 10 short stories revolving around a station master, and it's full of adventure and thrill. I purchased it few days back, not yet finished off reading, but would definitely recommend you all to read it at least once. As holidays are here, and yes, the price is really cheap. It's 199 rupees. So reading this will be a great pleasure for everyone during these holidays. The link is in the description box below. If you are interested to read this, then go and get it. My third goal is to declutter as much as possible, to throw or donate the items which I can no longer use or reuse, because many times I just keep thinking that this particular thing can be used someday or the other, which is totally wrong. My fourth goal is related to my third goal. I don't want any junk drawer or place in my house. Every single thing must have a home. And my fifth and last goal, which is very important for me, is to work harder. I feel like I have been lazy to put as much effort into anything as I should do, or as I had been doing some time back. I realized it and was very disappointed with myself that I'm no longer utilizing my time properly. So I need to work out some balance in my life so that I can work harder to achieve my own satisfaction. So yes, these are my goals for the rest of 2018, and I hope that you too will grab a notebook and write your own goals for the coming days, and will try to make the year end more productive and satisfactory. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you all. Bye.